Hello everyone and welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In this video I will show you how to reset Microsoft Edge to default settings. We start by scrolling down to the Windows 11 Start menu and clicking it. There should be an Edge icon in the pin section at the top. Click it. Wait till it loads. On the top far right, click the three dots. Scroll down to Settings and click it. You may also have to scroll down a bit here. Look for Reset Settings. Click it. Next to Restore Settings to their default values, there should be a right arrow icon. Click it. There should now be a pop-up warning. Reset Settings. This will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine and pin tabs. It will also turn off all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. Your favourites, history and saved passwords will not be cleared. Once you're ready, scroll down to Reset and click it. Settings were reset. And that's it. Microsoft Edge has been reset. Fairly simple. I want to thank you for watching this. This is not the usual type of tutorials I do. This is a rough and ready one. Tell me what you think about it. You can leave a comment down below. You can like it if you like it, or subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos. But I would really like your feedback on this type of content. It's more rough and ready. Do you prefer this to the other type of content? I would like to know, and I'd be grateful for future videos and future projects and that. Okay, all I've got to say left now is take care of yourself. See you in the next video.